So, yesterday, on the old Duramax, I did the rear end fluid. I put 75-90 royal purple, and I put some LSD treatment in there. And today, I wanted to get to do the transfer case, because I just got this truck and I feel like I need to replace all the fluids in it. So I took off the fill plug, and saw the fluid that was in there. I mean, it looked okay. Here it is. I mean, I'm not really sure what exactly is in there. If it's ATF, then that's not really good. But anyways, I took off the drain plug, and would you look at this? Holy shit. It's sludge. Look at that. I gotta use a damn screw to get this out. Look at this. That is filthy. Nothing's even coming out of here. There it goes. This truck's got 232,000 on it. I put 2,000 on it myself. I've had this for like 3 weeks. You guys just need to be wary of this kind of stuff. Check it all out before you buy a vehicle, especially one of high miles like this. This is pretty bad. I mean, it all works fine though, but it's not supposed to be like this at all. So my thoughts are, put some fluid in here, run it for a while. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, 30 miles, maybe that'll heat it up enough, something like that, and then come back in there with some new fluid and just keep flushing it and flushing it. But yeah, gotta watch for this. That's terrible. Like, that's less than a cup came out just now, and that's it. That's all that's come out. I opened these lids up, or these plugs, and then saw this gob of sludge right here, and it's like, oh, I should probably go with the camera. So I did, and seriously, nothing came out when I did it either. I put my pinky all the way up in there. Nothing. That's horrible. That is not good. This bad boy might need a rebuild, I'm guessing. But I'm gonna see how this will go. This is all the old gear fluid from the rear end. You can check out that video. Nothing crazy, but yeah, that is horrible. Yep. Check your fluids. Do maintenance on them. Truck will run forever. All right. See you guys.